My dear brothers and sisters, many or for some may have heard people or your friends using this expression, maliit na bagay. Linguists or sociologists would see a positive side or use when this expression evokes a casual response to gratitude. Nagbigay ka ng tulong, ng oras, ng bagay, ng pagkain, ng iyong panahon sa isang tao o kung kanino man, may ilan na sinasabi matapos sabihing maraming salamat, ang sasabihin, maliit na bagay lang. Pero may hindi din maganda sa ibig sabihin ng maliit na bagay. Kapag ang tao, karanasan o anumang binabrand na maliit na bagay, kayang-kayang isantabi, iitsapwera, hindi pansinin at minsan kalimutan. The man in our gospel invited many guests. But those supposed to be visitors during that dinner seemed to see that invitation and yet that feast as maliit na bagay. And we have heard how they responded. They expressed their excuse and maybe expressed their alibi. Pero mga kapatid, hindi naman nagdadamot ang Diyos sa atin, lalo na kung para sa ikalalago at ikabubuti natin. Tatawagin tayo ng Diyos para maglingkod. He will call us at least to review our lives. He wishes us to see how He can bless us. Pero muli, kung minsan o madalas, baka maliit na bagay na lang iyon sa atin. Kaya, hindi na pagtutuunan ng pansin, kayang isantabi, kayang kalimutan. My dear brothers and sisters, sa Diyos, walang maliit na bagay. Pero sana ang Diyos para sa atin, hindi maliit na bagay. St. Paul expressed this by saying how love is to be sincere, to be zealous and compassionate. The man was sincere enough to prepare his house for these invited guests. At mukhang enggrande at malaki ang bahay ng taong ito dahil nung nag-imbita pa ng iba, those crippled, those who are lame, blind, and poor, the servant said to him, "There is still room." But the generosity and abundance of the man's heart was responded by the guests' excuses and alibis. Mulit-muli, hindi maliit na bagay na araw-araw binibigyan ka ng Diyos ng pagkakataon na magbago, na magpatawad at maging malakas. Sana huwag maliitin ang madaming pagkakataon na ito. God is much sincere and passionate to see you with Him. And as much as God is passionate and sincere for us, may we also be passionate and sincere to long for Him. Hindi na maliit na bagay, kundi mahalagang parte ng buhay at mas lalo't higit, mahal ng buo nating pagkabuhay.